was like, huh.
Hey guys, I'm Nicole and let's test college students if they are smarter than a fifth grader. Let's go. Hi, so what's your name?
I'm Ethan Vito po,
Alexa.
From what school?
from UST.
I'm from UST.
And do you think you're smarter than a fifth grader?
Hindi ko po sure eh.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so choose a subject, math, science, or history.
Math po.
What is the value of pi?
3.14.
Your answer is correct! Congratulations! Choose your subject, math, science, or history.
History.
So the question is, what year did martial law begin?
Oh, very tough question. I think 1985.
Your answer is wrong. The correct answer is 1972.
Oh.
Oh.